before creating this channel, I was so interested in how much money other content creators were making, and that intrigue still has not gone away. They are still some of my favorite YouTube videos to watch. And now that I'm finally monetized, I wanted to do one of these videos so that you could see just how much a very small content creator would be making. First of all, if I explain the monetization process. So in order to get monetized, and that is for Google ad revenue, YouTube have just adjusted thresholds so that you can earn money in other ways. But I'm talking purely Google ad revenue. You need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now the 1,000 subscribers, I actually hit that after just 4 months of being on YouTube. So my very first video was posted October 19th, and then I hit the subscriber count in January, which honestly, I just couldn't believe. And I was just like, wow, people are actually, and it kind of really like validated myself, because basically at this time I was a stay-at-home mum because I was on maternity leave, and I kind of had said to myself, like, I'm going to give it a year and see if I get monetized within a year, then yes, I'll definitely keep going. Because of going back to work and things like that, I wasn't too sure how it was going to pan out. And then you also needed to get to 4,000 watch hours. Now that I hit on the 18th of April. So literally just under 6 months, so I was kind of like at that point then, okay, I am completely sold. I have put in so much work into this channel. You know, if you watch my very, very early videos, I had no editing skill. I was filming on a really crappy phone. Since then, I have done a little bit more investing. So I've got another video about that, which I'll link down in below. But basically, I upgraded my camera really recently. And then I've also purchased kind of like a little wireless mic just to help with the audio. So basically any money that I'm earning is kind of going straight back into the channel at the moment. So basically any money that I'm earning, whether it be through Google ad revenue or through affiliate marketing, my KDP business, everything that is coming in is going straight back out, straight back into investing into this channel and my various businesses, because obviously it's so early on and there is so much I need to do. I'm actually looking into investing into more of a hot shoe mic for my camera, which is Sony EVZ10, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it gives me a much crisper finish. The microphone in the camera is better than what was recording on my phone, but it's still not great. So currently I'm kind of recording with this wireless one that's plugging into my phone, and then I'm having to sync it. I'm also just using like a really basic Chromebook, so I definitely want to look to upgrade that as well. Anyway, that's not what you came here for. You came here to find out just how much I've earned. So I waited for 90 days. And just to give you like a little bit of background, because I know this will pull in different people into my channel. So my channel is pretty much about making money online, setting up various businesses. So mainly using Amazon KDP, some Etsy videos. I've just recently posted one about trading as well. So it's quite varied, but yeah, so I've been monetized now for 90 days and I wanted to kind of share with you. So at the time of filming this, I've got just over 1,800 subscribers. When I got monetized, it was about 1,500. So we're looking at below 2,000 subscribers. And I found that there aren't too many videos out there for kind of us nano influencers. So I wanted to, yeah, really show what's kind of, I guess, realistic. So let's head over onto the computer. I'm going to show you like my YouTube dashboard and take you through like some of my analytics. So here we go. So if I'm just going to filter this down, so this is actually going to be 92 days worth, because actually the very first day, I think, or second day, was my highest income. And that was because one of you lovely people bought me a super thanks, and that really helped. So spoiler alert. So over the last 92 days, I've earned £51.98. Now, I think in the US, you have to earn $100 before you get payout. In the UK, it's £60. So within the 90 days, I have not earned that. So far, all that money is still sat there within my Google ad revenue. But as you can see, I'm very close. So I think next month, I'll actually get my first YouTube payouts. So this kind of has really varied. So as I say, so first day of earning, which I think kind of happened at like maybe like 10 to midnight or something, and 0.02 pence. And just a bit of an update about, you know, like the approval process. Mine literally took 3 days. It says it can take, I think it's a month, but mine took 3 days. It was really quick, really simple. And essentially, I think because my content is very clean, like there's no cursing, there's no kind of adult only content. So it was probably very quick for them to approve, but it also depends on how many other people they've got coming into the YouTube partnership program at that time. If they've got like an actual full-on influx of creators that have just hit monetization, then it's going to take a little bit longer. But yeah, mine was, I think, actually just under 72 hours, which honestly, I couldn't believe it. It was so fast. I was expecting it to take like so much longer. So yes, so £51.98, so not quite hit the threshold, but if we dive a little bit deeper into the analytics, then I can take you through like the breakdown of it. So if we come over here to revenue, something else as well. So literally the day that I got monetized and started getting paid, I went back to work full time. So the amount of content that I was putting out halved. Okay, so I was previously putting out 2 long form content videos a week, and now it's 1. There was quite a long time as well where actually it's been longer. So like the last few weeks, it's been like once every 10 days. So I think obviously that's going to have an impact on both the channel growth and also the revenue that I'm going to make from that. So as you can see, 51.98. So my highest earning day was £1.58. So okay, so that was actually on the second day. And my lowest earning day was 21 pence. And you can see by this gap just here, that means that I have not published anything. So if I just have a look and then we can see. So the 11th of June, I posted a long form video. The 13th, I did a short form. And then there was nothing again until the 21st. So 10 days for long form is quite a long time. And then, so from the 21st, let me just scroll down a bit so we can see. From the 21st, the next week, again, no long form, to the 6th of July. So actually like nearly 2 weeks there of not posting. And I think that's why you can see there, like there's a definite dip. So here it is. So now this is going to give me my breakdown. So this is over the lifetime of the channel. So now I'm just going to change this to the last 90 days because that's taking into account all of my views. So in the last 90 days, £49.86. So that's over 13.3 thousand views. And that means I've had an average RPM of £3.74. So that's just on my videos. Shorts, I've earned 9 pence. So that's 2.3 thousand views with an average RPM of 4 pence. And then just over here, we can see the monthly breakdown as well. So April was £10.92. So as we know, it was the 14th of April was my first earning day. So that was half a month. May, £21.33. And this is now when the content really starts to get a bit sketchy. So in June, it was £14.63. And so far, today is the 14th of July as of filming, it's £5.11 for this month. And here is my top earning content. So my creator word search book was £13.95. My 5 top secret niches for colouring books was £6.10. My creator character for Amazon that was using AI Mid-Journey is £4. Make thousands with Amazon KDP, making a fitness journal, £1.97, and the same £1.97 for 7 ways to create a colouring book for Amazon KDP. So really, really interesting there, I think. Like, that's quite a big breakdown. And then if I just take you through, so if we go into advanced mode just here, and we're going to go into revenue, estimated revenue by content. So you can see here, this blue line is kind of my highest RPM. If I just go there, so on the word search book here, I made 66 pence on that day, so it must have done quite well. So here we go. So this is my top earning. So here you can see with the shorts feeds, like my channel isn't really about shorts feeds, but because I've been posting so infrequently, what I've been doing is just repurposing some of my really early content as shorts and putting it back out there. So as you can see, it's been like, it was pretty much nothing, 0.01 pence. And then here, oh, I made a whole penny that day. So that's my highest earning on shorts. And that's probably because like I'd posted like a fair few all at once. And here you can see I've been quite consistent with the shorts in kind of the last few weeks. Like I've really thought about it and tried to repurpose just there. So here I've added into the chart the RPM and the CPM. Now this will be averages over the last 90 days. So as you can see here, the CPMs, and basically the CPM is what an advertiser will pay YouTube, and then YouTube will give me approximately 45% of that, which is this number just over here. So as you can see, the CPM and RPM are different for every single video, and it also changes like by the day. So if I just come up here, so as you can see, like on this particular day, I was getting a CPM of £86.09 for my illustrated children's book using Canva. Whereas the next day, if we come here, it was £3.50. So it kind of depends on what the advertisers are picking up on. So if we have a look down, we'll see what my highest CPM currently is, 734. 1236, my 6 sources of income. Yeah, that's the highest at the moment. If I go, if instead of that, we go for the last week. So currently on the word search, it's £10.02, which is pretty good. We've got an £11.33 here for making low content books. And basically, like, these are actually quite good CPMs. Like, they're not the highest out there, but that's okay. Like, they're doing pretty well. In fact, it's the fact that my views are quite low because of the amount of new content that I'm putting out, which is fine because I don't want to get into a burnout situation. I want to make sure that the content that I'm making is good and that it's sustainable and that I don't hit burnout, because I am still working full time. I am running my Amazon KDP business, my Etsy business, and plus doing a bit of trading as well at the moment. And I'm also setting up another store, which will be like an online boutique type store. I then also have my affiliate marketing businesses. So I'm kind of spreading quite thin, and that's why I kind of want to keep it so that it's achievable and attainable. And that's absolutely fine. Like, I'm happy with that. So, you know, I was watching a video just this morning and they were talking about someone who had a CPM of like over $800, which is insane. They're getting millions of views on their channel. So I wonder then if perhaps the advertisers pay more to go on those channels. I'm not 100%, but that to me kind of logically says, yes, I want to pay more to be on that channel. So I really hope that you found that useful. I mean, this money is not going to change my life, but it does give me great encouragement to keep going. Now, if you want to help small creators like myself, please remember to like, subscribe, and also, if you can, watch those ads. We only get paid if the ads are watched for at least 20 seconds. So every time you skip an ad or, you know, get YouTube Premium. This is also actually another really interesting statistic. Let me just show you this. So if we go into our revenue, so if we go to watch paid ads, so for those of you that have watched my ads, £47.26 in the last 90 days, but actually £2.60 has come from YouTube Premium. So if you do pay for YouTube Premium, thank you so much. You are contributing, and a small like section of that goes out every time that you watch one of my videos. If you don't pay for YouTube Premium, if you can just watch 20 seconds of an advert, just leave it running in the background and go and put the kettle on or something, that then allows me to get paid. Great way to support your favorite creators by liking and subscribing to their channels. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this one. Leaving comments as well also shows YouTube that you are engaging with the content. So if you have any kind of comments, or even if you just want to say, you know, thank you for this content, or great idea, or feedback, like anything, it all helps build a picture for YouTube and pushes me out there on that algorithm. So thank you so much for your support so far. I can't wait to see you all next time. See you soon. Bye.